Nerve Clan, Blitzers, it's Ronan. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got that didn't come out right, but anyway. Today we got a mastery by Darko, Driving the Thunder. One hell of a mastery here. The Thunder just came out, so it's one of the most popular tanks. I didn't check that, I imagine. And Lek, in fact, did a review of it the other day with some great games, and Darko took it out for a drive, and mastered the living hell out of it. Enjoyed the finish on this one as well, with a guy in a Cromwell that seems to lose his brain or something. And Darko teaches him what I don't even know what this thing has, maybe 90mm cannon can do. Maybe it's 122, I have no idea. Nevertheless, I have not even come close with mastering this thing, so congratulations, Darko. It's one hell of a game, and really enjoyed watching the patience it takes to get a mastery here. That is often so elusive. Afterwards, a tank that I just mastered the other day, the Nameless, part of the Valkyrie collection. Not a common tank, not a particularly good tank. I actually couldn't remember why I took it out that day. I was tuning with Lek and we had just lost and kind of felt like something different. Nameless does have some good capabilities. It's one of Arthur's favorite tanks, I believe, or used to be. So if you haven't seen a Nameless played or a Nameless mastery, I hope you enjoy that one. Today, covering this to make it a little bit more exciting, not that it needs to be, is Metallica covering Turn the Page. Great song, great cover. I love this by Metallica. So enjoy the music, enjoy the games, and do subscribe to the channel.
Противник уничтожен.
East of Omaha, listen to the engine moaning out his one song. Think about the woman, girl he knew the night before. But your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do. 16 hours, there's nothing more.